How to make money at 20. 7 ways for school and college students. As a young entrepreneur, I can understand how difficult it can be to keep your motivations up. You are constantly being bombarded with new opportunities to make money. It can be tough to figure out how to make money while maintaining your values. The reality is that you can't make money at 20, but you can make a lot of money in your 20s. To do this, you have to put in the hard work, but not all the time. I believe that when you are young, you should do some things that are fun and easy. This allows you to spend more time doing things that are important to you. If you're still at school or college, you're likely to be young enough to enjoy the freedom that comes with living a life of financial independence. Even so, it doesn't mean you have to live in poverty. In fact, it is possible to make money even when you're in 20s and early 30s. You just need to get yourself ready to go for it and put in some effort to see the rewards. Let's find out the ways. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my Technical Solution channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Number 1. Advertise on your car. First of all, advertise your car in a way that makes people think about the brand. In this case, the brand in your dealership, and they pay for it. Your car can earn you thousands every year. All you have to do is advertise on it. If you're like most car owners, you haven't thought about advertising your car in a while, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't start thinking about it now. Working on your own family-owned business. Do you have a family-owned business? I have a plan that you can use to enter it. If you have a family-owned business, you know the challenges of being an entrepreneur. You know how hard it is to work for yourself, let alone for someone else. In order to succeed in running your own business, you need to know how to motivate yourself and your employees. But for a family business, the setup is there, and all you have to do is implement the right strategy to expand it. In this way, the stakeholders have trust in you and value your opinion. Number 3. Sell plasma. It may sound weird at once, but it is a legitimate way to earn some bucks. If you get paid well, selling plasma may be the best option for you. Plasma donors give blood and plasma is extracted from it. Although plasma donations can be done once a week or more often, the donors can choose the frequency, but the minimum is 3 times a week. Donor can usually schedule appointments on their own. Once donors receive compensation for each donation, they get paid for their plasma. 4. Become a social media consultant. You have probably heard about how much money you can make by becoming a social media consultant. But what is a social media consultant? A social media consultant helps companies and individuals establish, maintain, and grow their social media presence. In return, they earn money. Also, they help other companies set up their social media marketing strategy. So if you have experience using social media platform, then you could potentially become a social media consultant. It is a great way to earn some extra income, especially if you have the ability to create content or have a knack of creating visual content. Likewise, your social media accounts are one of the best ways to market yourself and your business. If you want to make money as a consultant, you must become an expert in your niche. But it's not easy to become an expert in your niche. It takes a lot of effort, dedication, and persistence. Number 5. Renting out your car. The car rental industry is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. There are more than 29.2 million cars in the world registered as rental cars. While that number may seem overwhelming, if you look at the opportunity of renting out your own car on an ongoing basis, it becomes a much easier decision. In fact, it is one of the easiest ways to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash to pay off your student loan or just want to put some extra cash in your pocket, renting out your car is an easy way to make some extra cash. Number 6. Shoveling snow. A snow day is one of the best things to happen to you, but with school and work, it's easy to get behind on everything. If you don't have a snow day coming up soon, then you may be missing out. Here's how to shovel snow to earn money. There's no doubt about it, snow is beautiful, but there's a reason why we tend to crave it so much. Whether the weather turns cold, our thoughts turn to the warm summer days ahead. But what happens when the cold weather turns to snow? Does it mean the end of the season? No. This is a magical time of the year filled with plethora of activities and fun. Whether you want to go sledding, build a snowman, or simply enjoy the beauty of winter, we have you covered. A shovel is a necessity when you have snow to remove. You'll need one for the driveway, sidewalks, and parking lot, but you can't always find one in the house, so here's an opportunity for you to earn money. Number 7. Moving services. If you're looking to earn money from home and garden, then you're probably familiar with services offered by lawn mowing companies. You can earn by working on lawns, mowing the lawns, cutting the grass, weeding the lawn, sprinkle system, lawn irrigation system, and lawn maintenance. Lawn care is great side hustle because it is low risk, little investment, and the pay is good. Conclusion. In conclusion, if you want to make money at 20, you should focus on things that will help you get ahead in life. For example, if you want to make money at 20, you should develop skills that will help you find a good job. You should know how to write and learn how to speak well and other skills along the way. Thanks for watching.